Okay, lesson 1-9, solving system of equation in 3 variables. You have A, B, C, these 3 variables. Now, these 3 equations, before we begin, we have to group these 3 equations into group of 2 first. So, I will group 4A plus 5B minus C equal to 2. I group this with minus A plus 4B minus A plus 4B plus 2C equal to negative 15. And I will group another one with this is one group, and another one I will group negative 3A minus 2B plus 7C equal to minus 15 with the minus A plus 4B plus 2C equal to minus 15. This is the second group. Now, once you group this equations together, you have to decide which one you want to eliminate first. Is it A, is it B, or is it C? Now, in this particular case, I think I missed one. It's supposed to be 4A plus 5C minus 6C, sorry. So in this particular case, I'm going to eliminate A first. So for this section, I bring it down a little bit to this one, and I will have this 4A plus 5B minus 6C equal to 2 remain the same, but I will multiply the second equation by 4 so that it can be eliminated at 4. So multiply this by 4, I will have this as minus 4A plus, you multiply this by 4, 4 times 4 is 16B, and then you plus times 4 become 8C, and negative, and 13 times 4, you have this as negative 52. After that, you eliminate it. Then you have eliminate this together, or we put plus, this is going to be plus sign so that it can be eliminated. So 5 plus 16, you have this as 21B, and then minus 6 plus 8, you have plus 2C equal to negative 52 plus minus 52 become minus 50. So keep this one for the moment, and then now let's work on this. We'll bring this one down also to work on. So I will eliminate this, but this is going to be eliminated at 3. I'm going to eliminate A as well. So write down 3A minus 2B plus 7C equal to minus 15, stay the same, but I will multiply second equation here by 2. By 3. So minus 3A plus, if you times this one by 3, you have this one minus, it's 12, not times 3, yeah, 12B, and then you times this one by 3, it becomes 12, it becomes 6C equal to where do I work on 8 by 3, you times this one by 3 going to be negative 39. After that, you eliminate this one as well. So this is going to be minus in the middle, minus. This one no more. Minus 12, or minus 2, minus 12, minus 14. b. Let me repeat. Minus 2 minus 12 minus 14. 7 minus 6. You got c equal to 15 minus 39, or become minus 15 plus 39. So you have 39 minus 15, that will give you 24. This is another equation. After that, we will group this equation together. Then you will have this as 21b plus 2c equal to minus 50, and then you will have minus 14b plus c equal to 24. Well, let's try to work this one with the multiply first and eliminate later. Okay, I'm going to eliminate c in this section. So from that, to eliminate c, 21b plus 2c equal to minus 50 stay the same, but I'm going to multiply this one by 2. So I have minus 28b plus 2c equal to, it's going to be 48. So to eliminate this, I'm going to use minus. So 21 minus 28, you will have this as plus together. You have 49. B, 2c minus 2c, no more. And this will be 50 minus 50 minus 48, you have minus 98. So to get b is equal to minus 98 divided by 49. So you have in 98 divides 49, that will give you 2, or minus 2 in this case. So your b is minus 2. That's for your b value, minus 2. Once you get your b value, you will use that b value to substitute in either of this equation. I will put b in this equation. So b, I put b in this equation. So b negative 2. So to work this way through, you will have this as negative 14 times b, but your b here is minus 2 plus c equal to 24. So minus times minus, minus 2 times minus 14, you have this as 28 plus c equal to 24. To get c equal to 24 minus 28, it will give you a minus 4. This is for your c value. Now when you get your b, your c, let's find a value. To find a value, you can refer to the original equation. Choosing either of these equations, I will choose this one, the third equation, negative a plus 4b plus 2c equal to 13. So I will choose this one for substitution to find a value. So I have minus a plus 4b, 4 times b, b here is minus 2, and then plus again 2c, c here now minus 4, and then equal to minus 13. So minus a, 2 times negative 4, we have negative 8. 2 times, this one 4 times negative 2, and the other one 2 times negative 4 minus 8 as well, equal to minus 13. So you have minus a equal to minus 13. This is going to be minus 16. So minus 16 move to the transpose to the other side, become plus 16. So minus a equal to 3, or our a equal to, it implies that a equal to negative 3. So our answer, a negative 3, b negative 2, and c negative 4. A equal to negative 3, b equal to negative 2, and c equal to negative 4. That's answer for the first number. Number 2. Okay, number 2, I will group the first equation with the second equation, and then the first equation with the third equation. Let's start. Well, if you group this one together, let me just make it a little bit faster. If you group this together, so you have, I think we're going to eliminate x. Easy to eliminate with this case. It can be eliminated at 4. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by 2. So the first equation by 2, so negative 2 times 2, I'm going to have this one a negative 4. X times 2 become plus 10y times 2 become plus 6z equal to times 2 become minus 50. And we write this one again exactly the same. Minus 4x minus 3y minus 8z equal to minus 39. Then let's simplify this. Eliminate this already. So it's minus 4x minus 4x. So to eliminate this, you put minus in the middle. So 4x minus 4x become 4 minus 4x plus 4x. Eliminated. 10y minus 3, we have 10 plus 3, we have 13y, and then 6z minus 8 becomes 6z plus 8z. 6 plus 8 gonna give you a plus 14z equal to negative 50 minus 39, or 50 become negative answer, of course, and then 50 minus 39 gonna be 11. So that's our first equation to be working on with the other pair. So after that, this time I'm going to combine the first with the third equation. Let's start. So eliminate x. I'm going to multiply this by 3. So multiply by 3, you're going to have minus 6x plus 15y plus 9z equal to minus 75. And then I have 6x plus 8y, I'm going to write exactly the same, minus 5z equal to 14. After that, let's eliminate this. Okay, so I'm going to use positive here. Minus, so positive here to be eliminated. So minus 6 plus 6, no more. 15 plus 8, 15 plus 8 gonna give us 23y, and then 9 minus 4, sorry, 9 minus 5 gonna give 4 minus positive plus 4z equal to 75 minus 14, they give us minus 61, and then you combine this equation together. You have I'm going to bring this one down, so I'll put right here 13y plus 14z equal to minus 11. So I'm going to multiply this. If you simplify z, you time this one by, well, let's see first, going to be simplified at 28. So you multiply this by 7, and you multiply this one by 2. So 23 times 7, that will be 161 y plus 4z times 7, 4 times 7, 28z equal to 61 times 7, that will give us 400 minus 427, and then 13 times 2 will be 26y plus 14 times z, or times 2 going to be 28z equal to minus 22. Okay, now after that, simplify this using minus. 28 minus 28, no more. Right now 161 minus 26, that will give you 135. 135y equal to, now minus 427 minus 22, or other word minus 427 plus 22. So 427 minus 22, that will give us a minus 405, and then 405 divides 165, divide 135, that will give us 3 as the answer for, so this is going to be negative 3, sorry, so negative 405 divides y, or divide 135, that give us y equal to minus 3. That's for answer for y. After that, you're using this value to substitute in either of this equation here, up here. So I'm going to use this one within this equation. So from here 23y, so I have 23, put y inside, become minus 3, and then plus 4z equal to minus 61. We work inside this equation. 23 times 3, that give us negative, this one is going to be negative 69 plus 4z equal to minus 61. 4z equal to minus 61 plus 69, that will give us 8. So z equal to 8 divides 2, or z equal 8 divided 4 equal to 2. Therefore our z value is 2. Now to get x value, you can use these two values to substitute in either of this equation. Let me choose. I think I'm going to substitute this value with equation number 1. So to do that, using substitution, I have minus 2 times x plus 5 times y. My y is negative 3. And then plus again with 3 times z, my z here is 2 in this case, is equal to minus 25. You have minus 2x minus 15 plus 6 equal to minus 25, or minus 2x minus 25 plus 15 minus 6. You transfer everything to the other side. You have minus 25 plus 15. You have a minus 25 plus 15, and then you minus 6. It will give you minus 16. Minus 16. So minus and minus, no more minus. So minus 16 divided by minus 2 is going to give you 8. So our answer, x is 8, x equal to 8, y equal to minus 3, and z equal to 2. Let's move on to the third numbers. Third number. Okay. Let's try to work on this one together. Let me try to see which one would be easiest for us to eliminate. Alright, in this case, look at the z value. Z, 3z, negative z. Okay, and this number I'm going to eliminate z. So I'm going to group first and third together. So I have minus 2x plus 15y plus z equal to 44. I'm group this with the third one, minus 3x plus 6y minus z equal to 8. Let's simplify this together. So let me check the number 2, minus 2x plus 15y plus z 44 minus 3x plus 6y minus z equal to 8. Alright, so I'm going to use plus in the middle. Z plus minus z eliminated. Now negative 2 plus negative 3, negative 5x. 15 plus 6, plus 21y equal to 44 plus 8 gonna give you 52. 44, 52. Now that's one. Take note on this one. 1. And then second grouping, I'm going to group the first with the second. So minus 2x plus 15y. Wait, let me try multiply right away. Look at this one together. We're going to group this together, the first and second. First and second, and we want to eliminate z. This one here, you have 1z, you have 3z, so I will multiply right away. I will multiply the first one by 3 to make it become 3z as well. So multiply by 3. Negative 2x times 3, you're going to have negative 6x. And then plus 15 times 3, 45. Y, and then plus z times 3, 3z, equal to 44 times 3, 132. And then I will rewrite the second equation exactly the same. 4x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 18. Now I'm going to simplify this. So I'm going to use 1 plus 5, I'm going to use minus in the middle. 3z minus 3z is no more. Now minus 6 minus 4 minus 10x. And then this is 45 minus 3 becomes 42 equal to 132 minus 18, 132 minus 18, that gives us 114. Okay, after that I'm going to bring this one down to this section so that we will work on this equation. So I'm going to eliminate the x. So to eliminate x, I'm going to multiply this by 2. So 5 times 2 minus 10x plus 22, 1 times 2, 42y equal to 52 times 2, 52 times 2 gonna give you 104. So let's work on this. So I will put minus in the middle. 10 minus 10, or minus 10 plus 10, no more. And then 42 minus 42, this one no more. Okay, it seems like this side becomes 0 and this side become 10. So when this happens, so the answer to this system is a no solution. This one is no solution. Number 4. Now for number 4, let's try check the value together. This 4x, 12x. Okay, so in number 4 I'm going to eliminate x. I'm going to group the first and the second together. Wait, I'm going to group the first and the third first. First and the third, since they have the same value of x. So I'm going to write this one down, exactly the same thing. 4x plus 2y plus 6z equal to 13. And then the third equation, minus 4x plus 7y plus 7z equal to 34. Let me check again. 4x 2y plus 6z equals 13. Negative 4x plus 7y plus 7z equals 34. And alright, so let's eliminate x. We're going to use positive in the middle. 4 plus minus 4 is no more. 2 plus 7, 9y. 6 plus 7, I'm going to give you 13z equal to 13 plus 34, I'm going to give you 47. That's one equation. And then I will group the first and the second. First and second, since we want to eliminate x, going to be eliminated at 12. So I'm going to multiply the first one by 3 so that it will become 12 as well. So 4x times 3, 12x, 2y times 3, 6y, 6z times 3, 18z, and then 13 times 3, 39. Now we write exactly the same thing, same equation in equation number 2. Minus 12x plus 3y minus 5z equal to 8. And let's simplify, let's eliminate this. I'm going to using positive. 12 plus minus 12, no more. 6 plus 6 plus 3, you got 9y, and then 8 minus 5, you got 13z, and then 39 plus 8 gonna give you 39 plus 8 gonna give you 47, and you bring this one down. So it seems like look exactly the same, 9y plus 13z 47. So to eliminate this using the minus, so it seems like they are eliminated 0 on this side, also 0 on this side. So now when this happens, the answer to this system gonna be infinite solution. Infinite solution. Okay, we have 2 more numbers to go, which is number 5 and number 6, word problems. Okay, so the problem given to us, let's look at this problem. Alright, how many episodes of each show? We have sitcom, we have drama, and we have talk show. 3 of this. That's the show. So I think to begin with, let me using S. Let's say I put S for equal to sitcom, sorry, and then it's a D for drama. I want to represent it, and then T for talk show. Okay, after that, let's write the equation. Try to write the equation and solve the problem. Okay, so this one, let's say standard 7 program. Alright, so you have sitcom and drama and talk show together with not how many of each, but all the three all the 3 programs she download. We have 7 of them, so you have the number of sitcom plus the number of drama plus the number of talk show give us 7 programs. After that, let me continue furthermore. There are twice as many episodes of the drama as the sitcom, so twice as many. So therefore you have D equal to 2S. D equal to 2S as twice, because the word twice as many episodes of drama as the sitcom. And then the third equation gonna be 0.3 of S plus 0.6 of D plus 0.6 of T equal to 3.6. This in total capacity gigabyte. Now let's using substitution. I will substitute this one, the second in the first and second in the third. We're using that substitution. So if I'm going to substitute this one in the first one, I'm gonna have S plus 2S, because D here is 2S, so instead of D I put 2S, so S plus 2S become 3S, and then plus T equal to 7. That's 1. And then I'm gonna use this equation, this D again, to substitute in equation number 3. So this section multiplied as a 0.6S, 0.3S. I leave it for the moment. I will work on this one first. Now 0.6D, but your D is 2S, so 0.6 times 2 gonna give you 1.2. Now 1.2 plus 0.3 gonna be 1.5. So 1.5 S plus 0.6T equal to 3.6. Now we have this already. let's solve this problem. Okay, I'm going to eliminate s first. So to eliminate x will be eliminated at 3. So I write the first equation exactly the same first. 3s plus t equal to 7. But I'm going to multiply the second equation by 2. So 1.5 times 2 becomes 3s, and then plus times 2 gonna be 1.2, t equal to times 2 gonna be 3. Let's say 3.6 times 2 gonna be 7.2, and then I'm going to do the minus. 3 minus 3, no more. This is by default 1 minus 1.2. I'm gonna give you a minus 0.2. t equal to 7 minus 7.2 gonna give you also a minus 0.2 as well. So from that, t is equal to 1. Now when t is 1, you can use this one to substitute in this equation. So you have 3s plus t, but t is 1, equal to 7. So 3s equal to 7 transpose to 1 becomes 7 minus 1. You have 6. 6 divided by 3. You got s equal to 2. Now when your s is 2, well, d equal to 2s. S is 2, so d become 2 times 4, 2 become 4. So d is equal to 4. We have Psychon 2, Drama 4. So our answer to this question number 5, you have Psychon 2, Psychon is 2, and then Drama 4, and Talk Show 1. Okay. Last number, number 6. Now in number 6, they want us to write system. And then solve the problem. Okay, let's read the problem together first. Let's say we have the first place, second place, and third place. Alright, let's represent letter first. Let me represent x for first place. Let's say x. X for first equal to first place. Y, let's say second place. And then z, let's say third place. Now let's write the equation. Equation together, let's say state 24 individual places. Alright, so it seems like you have the first place plus the second place. So the first place plus the second place plus the third place is equal to 24 individual places. That's equation number 1. Equation number 2, we're going to have, there are as many first place finisher as second and third finish combined. Alright, so it seems like we have x, which is the first place, equal to the second place plus the third place. And then for the point we have here, so we have the point belongs to the third place, which is 3 points for third place, or first place, sorry, plus the points belong to second place, and plus the point belongs to the third place, together equal to 53 points. Now let's work on this equation together. Let me write equation down first. We have x plus y plus z equal to 24, and we have x equal to z plus y plus z, and then you have another one, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 53. Okay, that's the equation that we have. Right, now with this equation, I think I'm going to substitute the second one to the first and the second one to the third. So let's combine this together first. So instead of putting x, I'm going to put y plus z plus y plus z equals 24. So instead of x right here, I'm going to substitute x by y plus z. So I have y plus z plus y plus z. So I will have this as 2y plus 2z equal to 24. That is 1. And then I'm going to use this. So let me circle this one first so that we will not get confused with the other equation. And then I will use the second equation to substitute in the third equation. So it seems like 3 times x, or 3 times y, 3 times z. So 3 times y, you have 3y. 3 times z, you have 3z, and then plus 2y plus z equal to 53. 3y plus 2y, you have 5y, plus 3z plus z, you have 4z, equal to 53. Now I'm going to put this one down together with this one. So look at this together. I'm going to eliminate z in this case. So because this 2z, this is 4z, so I'm going to multiply this by 2. So 2 times 2, you have 4y, plus 2 times 2, you have 4z, equal to 24 times 2, you're going to have this one as 48. Then I'm going to do the minus. 5 minus 4, you have y, 4z minus 4z, this is no more. And then 53 minus 48. You got 53 minus 48, I'm going to give you 5. Okay, now when you get this is 5, you can use this one to substitute in this equation or in this equation. That's up to you. But I'm going to use this with this equation to find the value of z. So I have 2y. So 2 times y, but my y here is 5, plus 2 times z equal to 24. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 transpose to this side become minus 10. So 24 minus 10, you get 14. It will give us z equal to 14 divided by 2 will be 7. That's for z value. And when you get z value, you can use this 2 value to substitute in this equation. Equation that x equal to y plus z. So x equal to y is 5, z is 7. Together will make up a 12 for x value. So to answer the question, you will have 12 of first place, 5 of you have 12 of first place, 5 of second place, and 7 of the third place. Let me write this for you as the answer. So first place is equal to 12, and then second place is equal to 5, and third place is equal to 7. That is all for our lesson 1-9.